Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add, remove and edit these bookmarks on your Safari browser on your Mac. So in your Safari browser you can see this is my start page and I can see my favorite bookmarks and I'm gonna explain them. So if you can't see them here, that means they have been disabled, and to enable them just click on edit here. Then make sure that favorites are checked. If they are, then they will display here. And these are your bookmarks that have been either automatically added or added by you. And I'm gonna show you how to add new ones. So go to any website that you want to bookmark. For example, let's go to YouTube. Then to add a bookmark, either click on Bookmarks and then click on Add Bookmark, or click on Command D on your keyboard. Then you can change the name and the description and change where to save your bookmark. I'm gonna save it to favorite, so it's gonna be shown on my start page. Then click on Add, and now when I go into my start page, which I can open by clicking on plus to open a new page, or just click on Bookmarks then show start page, and you can see that YouTube has been added here. And that's basically how you manage it. You can also delete a bookmark by clicking on it, right clicking on it or with two fingers to open the context menu, then click on delete, and now it's deleted. And that's how you manage bookmarks. You can also find bookmarks by clicking on Bookmarks, then finding the group of bookmarks that you want to search for. I'm gonna open favorites, and here are my bookmarks, and you can see that the first 9 of them have a keyboard shortcut to quickly open them. So now when I click on Command Option 6, it will open HardReset.Info, and you can also click here to show the sidebar, and in the sidebar go to Bookmarks, and in Bookmarks you will see your bookmarks as well, so we can open it this way as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.